Well, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Well, to check that Java is installed on your PC, else you have to install the JDK. You go to command prompt, and once the command prompt is there, you write Java and Java C just to make sure Java is installed on your PC. It's 1.8.30, so it's fine. I have also got NetBeans on my PC installed already. Now we will see how to install Xampp or Xampp. Both are nice servers. Uh, I will be starting with Xampp. So how to do? Just press yes. Okay, yeah. Okay. Next. This should be everything we are going to install. Xampp. I don't know the line, but let me. Next. Next. Okay, yeah. Now the things will be unpacked and Xampp will be installed. Okay, yeah, it's public networks, it's allowed, should be allowed. Now, after a while, you should see things finishing, should be very fast. Okay, yes, finish. Okay, now, what is not running? Okay, so just try to start. Apache, this may be board due to block. To check it, how to check it, we will do checking for the port, which port is using. Okay, to see it you should go to see Xampp Apache error, Apache logs error, and you can find what kind of error you are getting. Mostly either the certificate or the port is not working. So first I will deal with the port and then we will deal with the. Okay, this is the directory that has to be worked on. httpd-conf. Come here, listen 80. What I will do, I will try to change this port to 82. Let's see if it works or no. Usually it's the port. If it is blocked, I will see